Okay, it's almost there. Just a few finishing touches and I will be all done with this setup. You may recognize some of it if you've seen my channel before. And of course, there are still some trims to be done. Change things around. Got items over here. There used to be a table there. Now there are rolling carts that I still have to reorganize, among other things. I've got still that trim to be done on that door. And now I have an L-shaped desk. This is my work surface here. I'm really happy. And the story behind the change is that I had to replace my floors. So I'm quite happy about that. Now I can actually roll my rolling cart and the chair. Any questions, leave them down below. Be inspired and be blessed. Bye-bye.